In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the camera app error 0xa00f4240 unknown on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you're having issues with your camera, I'm going to walk you through the steps to fix it. So, let's get started. The first thing I recommend doing is opening up the search menu on your computer. Type in Settings, and when the best match comes up, click on it to open the Settings window. Once in Settings, select Apps on the left side of the screen. On the right side, you'll see a section called Apps and Features. Under this, you will find an option for Installed Apps. Click on it. Now, in the Search Apps field, type in Camera. Once the Camera app appears, click on the three dots next to it and then select Advanced Options. Scroll down and under the Reset section, you'll see a couple of options. If the app isn't working properly, you can try repairing it first. This will not affect the app's data, so select Repair. If that doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to reset the app. Keep in mind that resetting will delete the app's data, including preferences and sign-in details. If you want to proceed, click Reset. Once you've done this, close the Settings window and hopefully the issue will be resolved. If you're still facing the same problem, we can try another solution: reinstalling the Camera app. To do this, open the search menu again and type in Windows PowerShell. When it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you get a user account control prompt, click Yes to continue. Now, I'm going to provide two commands that you can copy from the description of the video. The first command will help uninstall the Camera app. Once you've copied the first command, go to the top bar of the PowerShell window, right-click on it, select Edit, and then Paste. Press Enter on your keyboard to run the command. After running that, we will proceed with the second command to reinstall the Camera app. The second command starts with Get-AppxPackage, and you can paste it in the same way as before. Once that's done, press Enter. This should reinstall the Camera app on your computer. To check, open the search menu again, type Camera, and the Camera app should now appear. If the issue still persists, we can try adjusting the camera permissions. Open the search menu once more and type in Settings. Click on it to open the Settings window. On the left side, select Privacy and Security, and then on the right side, scroll down to App Permissions. Click on Camera and make sure that camera access is turned on. Also, check that any applications you want to use the camera with are allowed to access it. That's all for today's tutorial. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you resolve the Camera app error. Thanks for watching.